How's it going, guys? My name is Clay or Claybuck here. Today I will be showing you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube. We're gonna go over all the steps and all the things that we have to go over for solving the cube. Okay, we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so we're gonna have to familiarize ourselves with the cube and be able to figure out how we can solve it. So there's basically three pieces: the corner, the middle, and the centers. So to be able to solve the whole face, we have to get the white cross, and to get the white cross we have to get these pieces right here, the center pieces, mid pieces, to line up with each color they go with. But first we need to know the cube. So we got the top, our face, our bottom, and our left and right, and our back. So we already have our two center pieces and the mid piece, and we want to be able to get all four of the mid pieces. Since we already have this one right here, and this one's red, and the red is on the right side of the green, so we could just move this to the top twice, and then our left, and then back twice, and there we have the green and red. And since our opposite colors of each center, so red is opposite of the orange, green is opposite of blue, and since our orange is right here, we could move this once because it's the opposite of red, and then back once. Then we have three center pieces. Okay, now we need this one, so to move this to switch it, we're going to have our blue as our face, and then we'll do it counterclockwise, and it'll move down right here, and then we can move this top and then back up with our left, and then back, and there we have all our white crosses, our corner pieces. This is kind of tricky, but we're gonna do our white cross facing to the bottom, and we're gonna solve our corner pieces. So we got blue and orange, blue and orange. We'll put this right here into the center of these two, so that'd be top clockwise, then right, top, right down, then we'll switch it, right, top, back down. So now this one we could put the white corners right here. So top, left, back, and then back down. So we have one corner, and then green and orange, then it'll be right. Then we could do it twice, top, back down. There you go. Then green and red, top, then we'll have our green as our face. Then left, top, and then back down. So we have one more corner piece, which is this one. Then we'll do right, top, right, back down. Then we go top, left, top, back down. Then we have all our corner pieces. Now we just need the center mid pieces. So to get this, we're gonna have to, or the center piece with the mid center piece, and then we're gonna, since this one is orange, we're gonna have to do it the opposite, and then right, and then back down, or top, then back down, then top counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, then top, and then face clockwise. Then that's the mid-center piece, and this is the same thing. So top, right, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, then top, then face. It's the same thing, so top, right, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, top, face. Then we have, since it's the same thing, it's top, right, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, top, face. So now we got the yellow cross, but we already have it. But since you guys might not know, I'm gonna try and mess it up so you can learn. So you don't have the white yellow cross. So usually what I do is I put the yellow center like a backwards L, and then I do face, top, right, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, then face counterclockwise. Then you should be able to get the yellow cross. Then now we have the yellow corners. So if I ever have this yellow corner, I put it at the bottom. Like I face it this way and then I put it at the bottom. Then whatever is yellow right here or right here, I do left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left, top counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, then back twice. Then that's the corners. But you could also do it on the right side, right, top, right counterclockwise, top, right, back twice, and then you'll still get the same thing. So right, left, top counterclockwise, left, top counterclockwise, and then back twice. Then we have our centerpiece, right counterclockwise, face, right counterclockwise, back twice, then right, face counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, and then back twice. Then I do right twice again. Then we have this with the green in the middle. What I do is I put it opposite on the right side, so it'll be one color difference. Then I do the same thing, right counterclockwise, face, right counterclockwise, back twice, right, face counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back twice, then right twice. And now we have all centers. And then what I do is right, top counterclockwise, right, top, right, top, right, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, then top counterclockwise, then right twice. Then we have that. And then we figure out what's color needs to go where. Since this one needs to go left, we're gonna have to do the left side. So left counterclockwise, top, left counterclockwise, top, counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, top, counterclockwise, then left counterclockwise, top, left, top top, then left twice. Then it's complete. You have solved the Rubik's Cube. So, okay, that's my video for today. If you guys could comment and let me know what I could do to make my videos better, or what I can do better to make this thing more better. Just yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and hope you guys have a good day.